G'day guys, Greg here. Now listen, I'm just sitting here in my office, minding my own business, and then I get this email from KFC. A total snack. $2 original tender go buckets. Yes, just $2, but it's only this week though. So download the KFC app and get your hands on a tasty original tender go bucket. What are you waiting for? Well, I'm not waiting, I'm going. Let's go! Alright, well I'm here, and this is an app-only thing, and only until the 25th of November. Now, open your app, go up to the Colonel's office, should be the first one at the top there, $2 original tender go bucket. Giddy up. I'll add that item to my list, and I'll pick it up right now. Can't wait to check this out. Yummo! Alrighty, here we go. My $2 tender go bucket. I tell you what, I'm doing well. Last week it was cones at Red Rooster. This week it's buckets at KFC. What's next week? Is it going to be like bowls at Taco Bell? Let's hope so! Anyway, when I ordered this, the girl said, would you like some sauce? Now, I don't know if she's supposed to give it to me, but I said yes, and I got her to choose. She recommended the aioli. Anyway, I brought the scales. Let's see how much it weighs. Alrighty. Well, 167 grams. That's 0.368 of a pound. That's like the weight of a hamburger. A really small and tiny hamburger. Anyway, let's open this up and see what we get inside. Okay. Well, we get one chicken tender here. What? And the rest is just chips? Where's the rest of the chicken tenders? I wanted 17 of them! Still, $2 for a quick hit of your favourite KFC 11 Secret Herbs and Spices, mate. I'd pay $2 any day of the week. Even twice a day. Alrighty, let's go. Oh, I needed that. I wish it'd focus so you could see how good it is. Why aren't you focusing, you stupid camera? What a waste of money that camera is. Oh, what about these chips? Could have done with some more KFC seasoning. Actually, they could have done with a lot more. Hey, $2. Hey, this will do me for lunch. I wonder how many you can buy at once. I should have bought like 10 of them. Now I could have just microwaved them over the next few days. I wouldn't have to cook for weeks. Okay, camera, do some focusing. Yeah, look at that. That's how it should be, folks. And look at that beautiful piece of chicken. Oh, yeah. I mean, who wants to bite that? Whose mouth is drooling right now, wishing they had one of these to shove down their gob? Tell you what, I'm living the dream. I got my third favourite chicken place, KFC. Behind ACK and JFC. Oh yeah. I can't talk. Eating. And when I eat too fast, potato chips especially, you know what happens? Heartburn! Yep, it's happening right now. Oh, just gotta fight through it, right? Just fight it! You're not going to win. You're not going to beat me. You're not going to buckle me over in the front of my car. Or are you? Oh, no. Too many years of experience now. I know how to shove that stuff through the esophagus. You can't beat me, Heartbound. Not anymore. Although I might have spoken too quickly. Oh, jeez. Oh. Whoa. Well, tell you what, 167 grams in my bucket. Oh. Normally, I mean, that's quite a lot, isn't it? Is that like 167? Like 5 ounces? Oh. I always say the best till last. Oh, yeah. You know, if you're feeling down and you're not sure about life, and if the camera that you spent all this money on doesn't even focus, just remember, KFC is always there for you. Oh, yeah. I wish I made KFC like chewing gum. So you just chew on the flavour for hours on end. I'd buy packets of it. What about KFC toothpaste? Yeah. Brush that feeling. And there we go, the $2 chicken tender bucket. Oh, it's done and dusted. I've got to tell you, there's a few scraps here. Find me a better $2. I don't think you will be able to. So, for an all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything, KFC, for your $2 bucket, I'm giving it I'll just give it a 10 out of 10. Why not? Go in, get on your app, go and drop $2. I mean, you should have it floating around in your ashtray or just on the floor somewhere or in your pants. You'll never know it's missing. So go in, jump on the app, go and get your buckets and enjoy the ride. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I review something. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger licking. Ooh yeah.
Oh, I totally forgot about the aioli sauce. Oh, well, no worries. You know what? I'll make a salad for dinner and I'll whack that in instead of mayo. Giddy up!